Vintage Beauties. If you click this video, it's because you either liked my hair, confused about what I have on my head, or you want to know why I have Sharpie eyebrows. If it's one of the three, thank you for coming. Let me explain. This is a new wig. It is the Janet Melt Transparent Lace Hairline and Extended Part Lace by Janet Collection. That's what's on my head. These are not Sharpie eyebrows. I already just did a video. Go check that out so you'll know what's going on with my eyebrows. And I did this on purpose, okay? Okay, so, hey. Anyway, it's your girl. And look, this is my new best friend. We're not best friends, we're cool. Her name is Dee from What's Happening. Okay, so this is how long she was. Too long, too big. I cut her. I should have kept a took a picture of how long and big she was, but I wore her out, and so that's why I didn't. The wig construction, it is natural deep parting space, the meltdown package. So it's an HD melt wig, so no glue is required. As you can see, when you get up close, you can tell a little more. So it would be better to put some type of glue or something to give it that more laid look up close, because when they be saying, oh, melt lace, it's only melted on camera. In person, we know it's a wig, okay? Like, it ain't melting that much. It's still a lace at the end of the day, so it's not melting to that capacity. So this is the wig. It pre-plucked, pre-customized natural hairline. I will say that I did not have to pluck this part at all. Look how far it goes back. Let's see how far it goes over. Not far at all. So it literally only has a little bit of parting space. Like, it actually has no parting space. That's it. This is the only part. And so if you want it to look more like it's on one side, you would just literally have to transition the wig over. I was pulling the hair down like this so it can lay a little flatter. So I'm not gonna lie, the lace does look good. It's just in person you can see that it is a lace, especially if you get up on somebody. But we're supposed to be 6 feet away, so it shouldn't be any of that. So maybe they will think it's my hair, and I'm Diana Ross's cousin. Okay, so that's all. That's the only option you have, is to move the hair over. You cannot part it any kind of way. All you can do is move it over in the direction that you like, that frames your face to your liking. I like this wig a lot. The curls are super soft. Okay, I like it on this side best. This is cute like this to me. So I like the fact that you just move it over and it'll still look presentable and nice. You can do that deep part look if you want, like this. So I like that. I think this side is my side to do fuller, to have more hair on that side. So that's that right there. As you can see, it does look really good on camera. As long as it's tight enough and you kind of just put maybe even some edge control, I feel like it will do okay. So what I did was I twisted it like this to get a little more control of the hair, because it's kind of wild. Okay, but I like this hair. I like it at this length. I feel like it's more manageable. Here is the lace. It's like I'm not going to do an install video because I literally didn't do anything to install it. I cut the lace. Yeah, look, if y'all looking at me for a tutorial to cut the lace, you at the wrong space, baby. Okay, so this is the wig. I ordered her from Sam's Beauty, and I believe she was $34.99. and it got here in about 7 days. I wonder if Amazon has her. If Amazon has her, I will link Amazon, only because you'll get the wig sooner. Like, Amazon is getting back on their little 2-day shipping, and so the products are not taking as long as they usually do. So I will link the Amazon price if they have her. If not, I will just link from Sam's Beauty. I really like this wig. Excuse me. The curls are super soft. I feel like the hair is more manageable at this length. So I just kind of cut her down to here. And the back, this side looks a little funky, but it's okay. And the back is like this. Yeah, so once again, so here we go. Like I'm saying, like I said, if you want to pull her back, you can. You'll just have to do, you know, your edges, and it depends. You know, you'll have to really kind of jazz it up, but you can do little styles like this. How you like it, babe? Hey, you gonna buy me another one? Okay, he get on my nerves. He doing hands up, thumbs up, and thumbs down. He know dang well I don't like thumbs. So this is her right here. This is D for $34.99. I think they only have 3 colors. This blue color, and then this blonde color, like the ombre blue and the ombre brown, and then just the all black one. So this is her. I can push her over a little bit more like this. I think that's cute. You can do a little bit of behind the ear. Okay. She got a little tangled. Don't mind that. Don't mind that, okay? Just work on your strength. Just like that. And you can kind of do a behind the ear look. It's kind of big, so it's kind of hard. You can do it like this, or you kind of clip it. You could do the one-sided look like this. Oh, this is cute. Maybe I should style her. So you can do the one-sided. Jay, I need some clips. Okay, I don't have real clips. He already had a bottle just before he ate. I mean, just a little while ago. So you can do this. This is cute. I like this style. Like that. And of course, be careful, Jay. Of course, I would do my baby hair a little better. So here's one. Then you could do kind of up in the middle. And I would get a cute clip, because I got those. And you know, you just kind of... So I feel like this wig is versatile, like this. What you say, babe? You could also just kind of do it. You could do it like this. Okay, you can't do it like that. But here you go. You can kind of twist here. Like this. Okay, it's not working because this is all I'm using, but you get the gist of it. This wig is pretty versatile. My husband keeps saying I'm making up words. This wig is pretty versatile, and I like her. So anyway, this is my new friend. We're pretty cool. I think I'm gonna wear her to work tomorrow because I have to go into the office. Yeah, and I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist now, so you know. Anyway, guys, until next time, go check out my other videos that I posted, because I'm gonna post those first. If you want to know how to get if you want to know how to get these Sharpie eyes, get right on it, okay? Until next time, it's your girl, Vintage Sister. Peace and blessings. Deuces.